Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to install Realtek audio drivers on Windows 11. If you're having problems with your audio, let's say you go on your device manager and then you go on your sound and you see that this is not showing on your computer. That means you have a driver problem. For you to download, just open your browser. Then you need to type in this Realtek audio driver Windows 11, then search. Then you have to click on the first link, PC Audio Codecs High Definition Audio Codec Software. Click on that. Then you have to choose from the two, if you have a 64-bit computer or a 32-bit computer. Or you can go on the website itself, you can just type Realtek. Then go on realtek.com, then click here, then go on Downloads, then go on Computer Peripherals. Here, you need to click here, then go on PC Audio Codecs. Once you're here, choose here, go on High Definition Audio Codecs. Then click on the first one. When you're here, then you have to select the download. Click here, say you accept, and then you download this file. Then you have to complete this. When it's finished downloading, open it and click on next, and then you install it. And you're done.